Power tools woodworkers must have in 2020. While working with wood, you will find that you will have to resort to a slew of woodworking tools. Each one adapted for a particular job, and without the best woodworking tools for the job, it can be quite difficult to accomplish a project. Today we will go through some of the best power tools for woodworking you need in the work. 1. Jointer. Having wood boards that are nice and flat makes the job so much easier. A jointer has one job to do. It is to make things flat. Different from a planer, a jointer can straighten wood in a way that removes bows and arches and deliver an entirely flat plank. 2. Surface planer. A surface planer is one of the several tools you will need if you are going to mill and square rough lumber. Additionally, the surface planer has one further function, and that is to reduce the thickness of the board. 3. Drill press. Most people already have a drill in their workshop. So why exactly do you need a drill press? A drill press has a table that sits perfectly flat and allows you to drill perfectly straight hole with high precision and no fatigue. If you have a lot of wood drilling to do, a drill press is a perfect companion. It will drill at an angle that is exactly perpendicular to the board, and you will always get straight holes whether you are working on one hole or 1,000. 4. Radial arm saw. The radial arm saw has an intimidating name. But behind the complex nomenclature lies a relatively simple device. The radial arm saw is used to cut tons of wood, and it does so very quickly. The radial arm saw is as accurate as the user using it. It is, however, not the most accurate power tool even by the most expert of hands for cutting wood. What it excels in, is cutting a lot of wood very quickly, faster and less tiresome than portable saws. 5. Band saw. The band saw is a versatile woodworking power tool. The mechanical innards of the band saw are pretty old-fashioned. However, it can be used to deliver all sorts of contours and wood forms that few other tools can. 6. Wood router. The router is hands down the most versatile power tool in the workshop. It is a semi-portable device that can easily be guided by the hand. Routers can be used to hollow out wood and make cutouts with extreme precision. Its usage extends further than woodworking, as routers can also be used on almost any material, from plastic to aluminum cutting. 7. Compound miter saw. The compound miter saw is another power tool that comes in handy when working with wood. Especially if you need wood cutting at an angle. The compound miter saw can skew to any angle you want to deliver the perfect angled cut. From making frame corners to simple dicing wood in half, the compound miter saw is an incredibly powerful and easy-to-use wood cutting tool. 8. Bench grinder. The bench grinder, as its name suggests, is a fixed grinder. It is used mostly for sharpening tools quickly and easily. It is also easily maintainable, as all you need to clean the grinder is a diamond dresser or metal brush. If you have a lot of tools to sharpen, the bench grinder is a handy tool to have in your arsenal. Alternatively, you might want to consider a belt sander that also comes with a disc grinder. This does the job of sharpening tools equally well. 9. Circular saw. The circular saw is an indispensable device and one of the best woodworking tools out there. It is used for cross-cutting wood, and as it is quite easy and fun to operate. You can easily and quickly replace the saw for one adapted to the job you are doing. Once you get used to using the circular saw, it will accompany you everywhere. 10. Power drill. There are 3 types of power drills. Regular drills, hammer drill and impact drivers. Power drills can be portable and battery-powered, but they also come with a cord. Regular power drills are used in both residential and commercial, so they are very versatile power tools. If you are using a regular power drill for business purposes, make sure to get one with a high voltage and power.